EnjoyCool Outdoor Cool Station Link tutorial video. First, configuration list. Air conditioner. Add-on battery. Power adapter. Front connector. Rear connector. Air ducts extension hoses. Drain hose. Air conditioner power cord connector. Second, how to use the power adapter. First, connect the power adapter to the plug. Next, align the 4-pin plug with the air conditioning socket. Insert it and tighten the connection nut clockwise. After that, connect to home AC power 100 to 240 volts. It can also be connected to the EnjoyCool energy storage power supply. It can run for about 6 hours. Third, how to use the drainage pipe. Insert the black connector into the air conditioning drainage port and the other end into the drainage area. Fourth, how to install the front connector and air duct. Align the front connector with the button. Press and hold the button to insert the buckle. Rotate the air duct according to the arrow on the connector and tighten it. Gently pull the duct without dropping it. The duct can easily be stretched out. This assembly can be done by rotating in the opposite direction of the arrow. Fifth, how to install the rear connector and air duct. Rear connector alignment buckle. Press and hold the button to insert the buckle. Rotate the air duct according to the arrow on the connector and tighten it. Gently pull the air duct without dropping it. The duct can easily be stretched out. This assembly can be done in the opposite direction of the arrow. Sixth, how to use the add-on battery. Align the unit on the add-on battery first. Rotate to a fixed position. The base has 2 interface panels. One interface can supply power to electronic products such as mobile phones, and another interface can be used to power the air conditioner. Insert the power cord onto the power interface and tighten the nut. Seventh, how to use the 4 major modes of the link. After powering on, short press the power button to start the machine. The power indicator is always on. Short press the cool button for cooling mode. Adjustable temperature up and down. It can go all the way down to 16 degrees. The cool button light stays on during operation. Short press the strong button for strong cooling mode. Short press the fan button for manual wind speed mode. Short press the fan key again to switch modes. FE for small wind speed mode. FR for medium wind speed mode. FZ for strong wind speed mode. Short press the sleep button for sleep mode. At this time, the air conditioner will work in a low power consumption state. Press and hold the Ja and keys at the same time to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press and hold the power button to shut down. Is how to use Link air conditioner outside the tent. Just extend the front air duct into the tent as needed. Ninth, how to use the Link air conditioner in the tent. Just extend the rear air duct to the outside of the tent as needed.